we are told that g of x is equal to x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 9. Use the graph to identify when g of x is less than 0. So pause this video, have a go at that. All right, we see here this is the graph of y is equal to g of x. And we can see clearly when it is less than 0. I will highlight when it's less than 0. This whole period, it is less than 0. And it looks like it never quite, it looks like we definitely have a vertical asymptote right over here at x equals -3 and x equals +3. So it looks like we're going from not quite, well, less than 0. So we're not even saying less than or equal to 0. So we're going from x needs to be greater than -3 and less than -2. That's that part right over there. So -3 is less than x is less than -2. And then we go to this part right over here where 2 is less than x, which is less than 3. That's this one right over here, which is less than 3. Or another way we could write it, we could go from the interval, not including, from -3 to -2. And it's the union of this interval and the interval, not including the edges, not including the boundaries, from 2 to 3. And we're done. And once again, we can see that visually. We just have to be very conscientious of these vertical asymptotes to recognize that we're never getting quite to x equals 3 there. And it's very clear this was less than 0. If it was less than or equal to 0, then we would have included x equals -2 in our answer.